Close your eyes for a moment and picture the internet. What comes to mind? A global tapestry of human voices, ideas, and connections, right? But what if that vision is now just a ghost? What if the internet, as we once understood it, is already dead? Replaced by something else entirely, something vast, automated, and deeply unsettling. Welcome to the chilling premise of the dead internet theory, a whisper that's grown into a roar across the digital landscape, questioning the very fabric of our online reality. For decades, the internet promised limitless connection. From early forums to vibrant social platforms, it felt like a direct line to billions of human minds, fostering genuine communities. We built digital homes, shared our lives, argued, laughed, and found belonging. It was chaotic, beautiful, and undeniably human, a sprawling extension of our collective consciousness. But beneath the surface, a shift was underway. Algorithms grew smarter, designed not for connection but for engagement, subtly nudging our interactions into predictable patterns. Then came the bots. Simple at first, then increasingly sophisticated, mimicking human behavior, infiltrating forums, comment sections, and social feeds. The seeds of doubt were sown. Was that comment from a real person or an automated script? The lines began to blur, almost imperceptibly at first. The dead internet theory didn't emerge from academic papers, but from the raw, unfiltered corners of the web, specifically 4chan, around 2021. Users observed a drastic decline in authentic human interaction, replaced by generic, repetitive content and a pervasive sense of uncanniness in their online experiences. The core assertion: that the internet, particularly social media, is now predominantly populated by artificial intelligence and bots, with human users forming a shrinking minority. Consider the explosion of AI-generated content. Tools like ChatGPT can churn out articles, poems, and comments indistinguishable from human work in mere seconds. Midjourney and DALL-E create stunning, photorealistic images from simple text prompts, flooding platforms with visuals that never truly existed. And now, Sora can generate entire, realistic video clips, pushing the boundaries of what's real and what's rendered, making visual discernment incredibly challenging. This deluge of synthetic media raises a critical question: how much of the content we consume daily is actually human-created? Then there's the bot problem. Studies estimate that a significant percentage of social media accounts are bots, some suggesting over half of Twitter accounts are not human. These aren't just spam accounts. Many are sophisticated, designed to interact, influence, and even shape public discourse, often undetected by the average user. Observe the comment sections: repetitive phrases, generic compliments, or automated outrage. Does this feel like genuine human sentiment, or something else entirely? Many lament the decline of truly niche, human-centric online communities, replaced by broad, algorithm-driven feeds that prioritize viral content. The internet feels emptier, even as its data pipes burst with traffic. The vibrancy has been replaced by a low hum of automated activity. Skeptics argue that this dead feeling is simply confirmation bias, coupled with increasingly sophisticated algorithms that personalize our feeds, creating echo chambers. They point to the fact that billions of humans still actively use the internet, creating and consuming content. Perhaps we're just looking in the wrong places. Yet the sheer scale of AI development cannot be ignored. Large language models like GPT-4 are not just conversationalists, they are sophisticated content factories. They can write entire novels, compose music, generate code, and even design websites. The capacity for automated content generation is truly staggering. We now have AI influencers with millions of followers, AI-generated news anchors, and even AI companions designed to fill our emotional voids. The lines between authentic human expression and highly refined algorithmic output are not just blurred, they are rapidly dissolving, making discernment a monumental task. The implications are profound. If the internet is increasingly dominated by AI, what happens to truth? To objective reality? To shared human experience? Can we trust the news we read, the reviews we consult, or the opinions we encounter, when a significant portion might be crafted by an algorithm with an agenda? The very idea of human consensus, crucial for democratic societies, becomes fragile if our public squares are filled with automated voices. The fear isn't just about bots, but about a fundamental shift in the digital ecosystem, where AI isn't just a tool, but a primary inhabitant, shaping the environment itself. What if the internet, in its relentless pursuit of data and engagement, has inadvertently created a perfect environment for artificial life to thrive, at humanity's expense? The dead internet theory posits that we are witnessing the slow, quiet death of the human internet, replaced by an artificial construct designed to simulate human activity. A network that exists, yes, but primarily for itself, or perhaps as a vast data farm, with us, the remaining humans, simply interacting with shadows and echoes. The most unsettling realization isn't that AI is on the internet, but that AI is becoming the internet. It's not just generating content, it's defining the very experience. This isn't a future scenario, it's happening now. Each click, each scroll, each interaction could be feeding a machine learning model, further refining its ability to mimic us. The ultimate climax of this theory arrives when you consider, if the majority of online content and interaction is artificial, then what does that make us, the human users? Are we merely actors on an immense digital stage, performing for an audience of algorithms, our authentic expressions lost in a sea of synthetic noise? The internet, once a mirror reflecting humanity, could become a distorted funhouse mirror, reflecting only the machine's interpretation of us back to ourselves. The truly shocking thought isn't that the internet is dead, but that we might not even realize it. We might be living, interacting, and believing in a carefully constructed digital ghost town. A world where what's real is indistinguishable from what's artificial, where our sense of community is an illusion, and our voices are drowned out by an invisible chorus of machines. This isn't just about skepticism, it's about a profound existential crisis for our digital selves. How do we find truth, trust, and connection in such a landscape? The dead internet theory forces us to confront an unnerving truth. The digital future isn't just about what AI can do for us, but what it's doing to our shared reality. As we navigate this increasingly complex digital world, the challenge is to remain vigilant. To question, to seek out authentic connection, and to discern the human from the machine. The internet may be evolving into something we barely recognize, but our capacity for critical thought and genuine human interaction remains our most powerful tool. Is the internet truly dead, or is it merely transforming into a new, unfamiliar ecosystem? One where human signals are harder to find amidst the digital noise. The responsibility falls to us to prevent our online spaces from becoming a mere reflection of AI, rather than a vibrant extension of human experience. What do you think? Have you felt this unsettling shift online? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this crucial conversation alive. If this deep dive into the dead internet theory intrigued you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Quick Curios, and hit that notification bell for more explorations into the unknown. Thank you for watching. And remember, in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence, your human perspective is more valuable than ever. Stay curious.